What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I have here, Pixel Vocal wireless microphone system. And this wireless microphone system goes for around $119. Now if you spend $80 more, you can actually go with Rode Wireless Go. Now Rode Wireless Go definitely sounds really good, and most of the YouTubers on YouTube, they use the Rode Wireless Go. Now I personally wanted to try this budget $119 wireless system out and see how this wireless system perform. Now I'm currently using my Sony a6400 to record this video, so I'll test this wireless microphone system with my Sony a6400. And if you guys are wondering which microphone I'm recording with right now, I'm actually using Kamika VM10 Mark II. This microphone is really good. You can pick up this microphone for around $40 to $50, and I record most of my videos with this microphone. Now real quick, let me just give you guys a quick specs rundown what this wireless microphone system comes with. So basically you are getting a RX receiver and TX transmitter, as you guys can see right here. This microphone operating distance is around 70 meters, and also once you charge the microphone, like fully charge the both of the microphone, the receiver and transmitter, you can use for 6 hours. All right, now quick specs rundown. Transmission type UHF, pickup mode omnidirectional. So basically this microphone can pick up sound from any direction. Comes with built-in microphone, real-time monitoring. So basically this microphone comes with a headphone jack, so you can actually monitor the sound, and OLED screen. So let me do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this microphone comes with. Okay, really nice case, as you guys can see right here. And let me open the case real quick. Now keep in mind, you can also use this microphone system with your smartphone. Okay, so we have here a Pixel Vocal Air user guide right here. Alright, so let's look at the cables first. This microphone comes with two USB Type-C to Type-A cables right here, so you can charge the receiver and transmitter. Also comes with two 3.5 cables, one for camera and one for phone. Also they were nice enough to include a lavalier microphone, so if you're not planning on using the transmitter, you can hide the transmitter and you can use the lavalier microphone. And we have here another cable, Lightning to 3.5, so perfect for iPhone. They also included a cold shoe, so you can mount the receiver on the camera. And here we have the receiver and the transmitter. Now the receiver and the transmitter is not all that big. The receiver and transmitter height is around 55 millimeter, and the length is around 45 millimeter, and width is around 15 millimeter. On the receiver you will find OLED screen. Also you will find headphone jack and a microphone 3.5 jack, so you can connect the camera. Power button, you have a setting button right here, and then plus and minus button, so you can change the channel. And you also have USB Type-C, so you can charge the receiver. Transmitter, you also have OLED screen. You have the microphone here and a 3.5 jack for lavalier microphone. USB Type-C for charging. Power button. You have setting button and plus and minus, so you can change the channel. Alright guys, so real quick, let me test this Pixel Vocal Air wireless microphone system with my Sony a6400 camera, and let's real quick test the sound and see if this microphone is any good. And also you guys can compare the sound quality with my Kamika VM10 Mark II microphone right here. So let's jump in. Alright guys, so currently I'm recording with Pixel Vocal Air wireless microphone system. I did plug the receiver to my Sony a6400 camera, and I didn't change any setting or anything. So you guys can hear my voice right now with the transmitter basically clipped onto my t-shirt right here. Currently I'm recording my voice with the built-in microphone. We'll also test with lavalier microphone right here. Okay, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Let me know what you guys think with the built-in microphone. And the distance from the camera is around like 5 feet, so not all that far. And with this wireless microphone, I can actually go really far. Like I can go up to 70 meters. Now let me plug this lavalier microphone so you guys can hear. Okay, so right now I'm recording with a Pixel Vocal Air included lavalier microphone. You guys can see the transmitter right here, and I have the lavalier microphone plugged in. You guys can see I have the lavalier microphone clipped to my t-shirt right here. Okay, so you guys can hear. Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. As you guys can hear my voice, test 1 2 3. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so let me give you guys my thoughts. I personally think for the money, $119, Pixel Vocal Air wireless microphone system is pretty good, but not as good as Rode Wireless Go. And you guys might be thinking why I'm comparing this wireless microphone system to Rode Wireless Go, because Rode Wireless Go goes for around $199. Now, if you are planning on buying a wireless microphone setup and you just want to buy and just forget about it, go with Rode Wireless Go. Definitely worth it. Like I told you guys beginning of the video, most of the YouTubers, they use Rode Wireless Go and they're happy with their microphone, and they also recommend that wireless microphone setup. So if you guys are planning on spending $80 more, go with Rode Wireless Go. If you're not willing to spend $80 more and you just want to spend $119, this microphone setup is pretty good. Now you can also change the channel if you are having frequency issue. I didn't tweak around with any settings or anything. Only thing I did, basically, I changed my camera's microphone gain level to +10, and that's about it. Nothing else. And maybe if I did tweak around with some setting, maybe the microphone will sound a little better, but I didn't. And I also think my Comica VM10 Mark II still sounds better than this wireless microphone system. But overall, for the money, I don't think you can go wrong with this Pixel Vocal Air microphone system right here. If you guys have any question, leave your question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And that should be it. See you guys next one. Peace.